BS Mall Makeup Brush Set 18 PCS Premium Synthetic Foundation Powder Concealers, Eyeshadows Blush, Makeup Brushes with Black Case. Professional Makeup Brush Set. Cover 18 PCS brushes for eyeshadow, crease shadow, concealer, blush, foundation, pressed or loose powders, highlighter, and eyebrows. Ideally for applying, blending, and shading products. Easy and convenient for daily makeup use. Premium synthetic fiber. The handles of cosmetic brushes are made of high-end alloy and wood material. The bristles are well made of soft and silky nylon, ensured for long-time use. All the brushes are fine and dense, suitable for even the most sensitive skin. Stylish design. The 18 PCS makeup brush set looks very chic and fashionable with the most popular and elegant champagne gold color, a must-have in your cosmetic bag. Great for beginner. Intended for makeup beginners and enthusiasts, as the makeup brush kit is easy to use and superior in quality at an affordable price. A complete assortment to allows you to keep your makeup. Designed by BS Mall. With a keen eye for users' makeup needs, BS Mall has designed these brushes to be not just durable and portable, but to also cater to your varied makeup needs with their different shapes. We believe that makeup art is women's pursuit of beauty and personality. Makeup lovers and beginners can reach to makeup artist level by using the right makeup tools more easier. We believe BS Mall will be the leader brand in professional makeup tools and the most useful companion on your beauty journey.